Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over this SAT question on the math no calculator section. So basically what this question asks is a company that makes wildlife videos purchases camera equipment for $32,400. The equipment depreciates in value at a constant rate for 12 years, after which it is considered to have no monetary value. How much is the camera equipment worth 4 years after it was purchased? So basically it's asking how much the camera equipment was worth 4 years after it was purchased. So we have to look at this word after. And how the average test taker would answer this question is that they would simply divide 32 by 12, and so if you do 32,400 divided by 12, you should get 2700, and they would just simply do 2700 times 4, in which they would get 10,800, and they would circle A. However, this is the wrong approach, and this is where College Board basically traps you, and you get this wrong and you're really confused why you got this question wrong. However, it's actually a simple question and a rather common mistake. So your mistake simply relies on not actually reading the question and it's the last sentence. So it asks us how much is the camera equipment 4 years after it was purchased, and we know that the equipment depreciates in a value at a constant rate for 12 years, in which it's considered to have no monetary value. So in reality, you're actually doing 12 minus 4, which is 8. So in reality, 8 years. It's actually worth $10,800 after 8 years, since its slope, if you put this in y equals mx plus b form, this equation, it's actually a negative slope. So what you have to do is actually get the value after 4 years after it is purchased. So the way you do that is you simply do 32,400 divided by 12, which is 270. 2,700. And you do 2,700 times 4, which is 10,800. And then you do 32,400 minus 10,800, in which you should get 21,600 as your answer, and that should guarantee you the correct answer choice, as you really want to subtract this from the total amount, as the slope is negative. And to make sure that you guys understand this better, let's put this in y equals mx plus b form. So right now we know that the slope, we don't know what the slope is, right? Because it's not given in the equation. However, we do know the constant, and the constant is the initial value price, which is 32,400. And we also know that in 12 years, which is the x value, the monetary value would be 0. So the y is equal to 0 when it's 12 years. And you just want to solve for m, in which you're going to get the slope. So you're going to do negative 32,400 divided by 12 equals m. And negative 32,000 divided by 12, it's going to be m equals negative 270. So our formula right here is going to be y equals negative 270 x negative 270 x plus plus 32. Wait, let me just move this right here. Plus 32,400. and we know that their x value has to be 4, right? So if you plug in 4 to this, you should get if you get x equals 4 right here, you should get this equal to 21,600. And that should be your final answer.